Hi Asad, this is my video checklist, and today I work at 9 a.m. in the morning, and first of all I open my mail and work on there. I watch your video and open the process state and try to understand what is there actually, and then work on Azure instruction on BA task management, Hangout, sign out, and set up Viber, and also work on derail and KD's daily work list. I set up the Viber on my phone, but I cannot set up on my computer. And today I try, but failed. Tomorrow I will set up the Viber on my computer and work on Google Keep to make derail and Cody's daily checklist, and I work with Rabbi and understand what will be do actually, and tomorrow I will make it as well as your instruction, and also work on remain product of Goldcrest. I watch on Amazon sheet, but I have not got any product actually, and this is my today's work actually. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.